Thutha wa mieri 3 ya cikaro cia gucaria kihonia kia mathina maria magumeire bururi, cikaro-ini iria ciarehire hamwe thirikari na mung'ethaniro, riu kuoya kihonia kirio kuraya mung'ethaniro nireganite na mendekithia maria magathikirwo utangikira thogora wa iguru wa muturire. Mucemani-ini wa mbere wa atongoria athure ngwatanĩro-inĩ ya AZIMIO kuma riboti ya WIGUANO yarekererio Jumamothi, mutongoria wa AZIMIO Raila Odinga ugite riboti ino ina gatithio na ndina hinya.
The two teams were unable to agree on the need and the means to reduce the cost of living. This is why we have described the document the committee presented as imperfect and unfinished. It was not for lack of trying on our part that the committee was unable to agree on the issue of cost of living.
Riboti-inĩ ya muthia thengia kamiti ino kwaga kuiguithania yendekithirie mahuthiro ma honge cia thirikari manyihio, thabari cia maabitha thirikari irengo na igoti ria kuramata mabarabara, indi kunyihia VAT ya maguta kuma gicunjĩ kia 16 harĩ igana nginyagia 8 harĩ igana, na kweheria igoti ria waki wa nyumba cia raithi ahitukire. Nĩ kumana na ũguo Raila anĩrĩire gucoka kuri muingi gwetha anja na mendekithia.
We will seek other ways to press the government to listen to the cries of the people and bring down the cost of living. The other ways will include, but will not be limited to, consultations with the people. At all times, we will retain the right to call on the people to take steps that we deem necessary to force the government to lower the cost of living.
Ona gutuika kuri na abunge monanirie kwendekithia mirurungano icoke itemi ria gutindikiria thirikari icurani uria ngarama ya muturire ikuguithio, kiuria kinene ni kana ino ni mirurungano iracuniria na kana hihi thirikari kugerera abunge ni igwicurania kuongerera ihinda makiria ria kamiti ino ya WIGUANO gucirira thogora wa muturire.
Raila na Ruto lazima waketi. Mmenisikia hapo? Ya lazima mambo haya tutazungumza, mjue kwamba tuko ngangari na tuwezi kuangusha nia na uzalendo wa wananchi wa Kenya.
Ona gukire uguo, AZIMIO ni itugire rendekithia ria kuongera ihinda ria guthikiriria cira wa githurano kia o president kwadandura kamiti ya gwetha makamishona IBC kuma 7 nginya 9 na kugathikwo kwa wabici ya mutongoria wa mng'ethanĩro na prime minister. Indi Odinga rauga iturwa ici iguthondekwo tu kugerera kura ya mawoni no ti njira ingi.
Create the office of the leader of opposition or to formalize the office of the prime cabinet secretary. The people of Kenya have to have their say by way of a referendum. Besides, it is a constitutional requirement that such significant restructuring of government must go through a referendum to avoid the mischief that may be played by some people going to court.
Riu kiria kimbere ni mubango uria AZIMIO inaguo wa gukinyira muingi, kuona hau kabere njira ici ciatuikire mirurungano iria yarehire hathara ona ikuo. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni MWAURA wa NDUNG'U.